Hello.
Thank you for calling Shop Easy. This is Indra, your customer service assistant. How may I help you today?
Hey, I ordered a blender last week, but I'm not liking the functions it has. I want to return it.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let me assist you with the return process. May I have your order number, please?
Yeah, it's 32171.
Thank you. I'll generate a return label for you. You'll receive it via email in a few seconds. Once we receive the blender, your refund will be processed within 3 to 5 business days.
Yeah, can you send a refund faster?
I understand. It's frustrating to wait for the refund, and I wish we could process it faster. We'll do everything we can to make it as smooth as possible for you. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thanks.
All right. Have a great day. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything else.
Okay.